Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking studio headphones. Yes, this is really good with noise cancellation, and also if you want to flip one of them side and you want to listen to the music, this will do the job for you perfectly. Not only that, it is done by a company called OneOdio, and it is model Monitor 60. Yes, this is a really good headphones. So here you go. This is how everything came together. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. So here's the box. It's really nicely designed. It really looks that they have put a lot of thought into making this box. And once you open, you can see the nice writing on the top, and it has a little part that you can open that. And then there is a little pouch. Yes. And once you take that out and the two packages that are part of it, here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this little envelope, and inside of it, you will get the little user manual. Now when you open it, it has all of the information that we're going to cover in this video, showing you how you will be able to play from one headphone to another and then to the actual phone. So this way you have two headphones hooked up. Also how it has been designed, we're going to cover that in the video. Same with the connections of which one will be good for your computer or for your electronic system. And over here it talks about what type of connection they have, how big they are or how small they are. Now here how the pouch looks, and then inside of it you have to open it up and then take it out. I also received this nice stand. Now this is a very basic stand when you look at it, but you can hook up your headphones right on it, and it fits really nicely. And then you can take the wire and you can put it all the way around. It sits really nicely on your table. Now talking about this headphones, it has really cool unique designs. Let's go through it first, and then we're also going to talk about how good the sound quality is on this. So number one, I really like this little design that they have. It looks like a speaker, but it has their actual logo right inside of it. And on top of that, this little design that they have around, and as I'm showing you right now on the screen, it changes once you move around. But the actual earphones, the parts itself, is really nice. So when you put it on your ear, it is not going to bother you if you hear this, if you want to put this on your head for a very long time. And that way, when you put this on, it kind of feels like a little feather touching your ear. Now, they also have markings inside on both sides of it, so this way you know exactly which side you're going to be able to connect. And the best part is that just like DJ headphones, you can flip one of them so you can hear it. And also these little cushions will bring that noise cancellation, so you can hear your music while you're switching the next record. Another good part is that when you look on the top part of it, you have these little designs. It also tells you if it's right or left, but these looks like a metal. It is not, it's just plastic. You do have the little part that has the little cut, so you know exactly how big you want to make it, so when it fits on top of your head, as I'm showing you right now. But going on top part of it, you have these little part. Again, this is a really nice cushion. When you put it on your head, it is not going to really hurt your head, but if you have a nice hair, yeah, you can ruin it. That's possible. And when you go on top of it, it has their name really nicely written. I really like that. Now the parts that I wanted to mention is when you put it on your head, it has a nice grip, so that way it has a noise cancellation that will really work. Now going in the bottom part of it is where you're going to see your hookups. Now that's where you're going to be able to hook up the bigger jack, which is about 6.35, and also on the other side you have the 3.5 audio jack, and it has a little ledge that it will click on once you hook up the wire itself. So I will show you. Now when you go to it, you will see that little part that have to click on, and that way it just goes in. In the other side you have their logo, so it makes it very nice and simple that when you are clicking to make sure that it is correct, and it clicks. So if you put it wrong, it does not go in, so it comes off easily. So make sure that you click it on properly. And the other side is a bigger head jack, so this way you can connect this to your stereo system. But what you can also do is, if you forgot your wire, this is nicely actually created that you can hook up the bigger one on the other side, and this side you can connect to your computer so you can listen to your songs, or if you have any lecture that you want to listen to, this will really work. The best part is this part also have a longer wire, and then you have this curled wire that really helps you out so you can play more using the other wire that is there. And that's how it's going to work. So this side will go to the headphones, that it has a little notch that it can go in, and then this side will go to your computer, which does not have that little notch. So make sure that you don't mix it up. One more good thing that I really like about this headphones is that it comes with another wire. Now this is really cool, that if you want to go outside, just sit on a bench and listen to your songs, and while you are listening to your songs using your phone. But the best part is that you do have this little part so you can pick up call and hang up call, and that is the mic, so you can talk to it really nicely. I really like that. But here you go, this is how it really looks. I really like that, the way that they have placed everything together. There's a lot of little things about this that I want to capture. So if you want to hear more about it, please do ask at the bottom of the video so we can make more videos about this. But this is something that is very nice and expensive, and it will give you the proper sound, just like studio sound, so that way you can do your work properly. But this is something very nice, inexpensive, and fit for every budget. And I would suggest everybody to purchase one of them. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.